Welcome to this tutorial on accessing the Microsoft App Access Panel in 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through the process step by step to reach your desired database file quickly and efficiently. Start by preparing your device and ensuring your screen is active. When you are ready, locate the Start button on your interface and click it. This action is designed to open up the gateway to various available applications. After clicking Start, you will notice a search field that allows you to quickly locate the application you need. In this field, type the word Access. As you type, pay attention to the auto-generated suggestions that may appear on the screen. The system is designed to help guide your selection by displaying relevant options based on your input. Typing Access will filter through the list and specifically point you in the direction of accessing the Microsoft Application Panel. Once you have entered Access into the search field and the appropriate suggestions appear, the next step is to click on the Microsoft Access option. By selecting Microsoft Access, you are telling the system that you wish to view and interact with the application that focuses on database management. This action is essential as it ensures that you are directed to the correct part of the application suite tailored for handling your database tasks. With the Microsoft Access panel open, you will then be prompted to select your database file from a list or from your computer's file system. At this point, take a moment to review your stored files and identify the correct database file you intend to work on. This step is crucial as selecting the right file will enable you to properly manage your data within Microsoft Access. Carefully navigate through your files, and when you find the one that meets your needs, select it to open the database. Ensure that your file is not corrupted and is in the proper format to ensure a smooth operation once it is uploaded. This tutorial is designed to make the process as straightforward as possible while still providing you with all the necessary details. It is important to follow each instruction in the order presented, as each step builds upon the previous one to ensure that you are setting up the application correctly. Taking your time during each transition, from clicking Start to selecting your database file, will help to avoid common pitfalls such as selecting the wrong application or misidentifying your file. Throughout this process, be mindful of any on-screen prompts or system notifications that might require further action on your part. The intuitive design of the Microsoft App Access panel is meant to guide you seamlessly from one step to another, leaving little room for confusion. By focusing on each individual action, clicking Start, typing Access, selecting Microsoft Access, and choosing your database file, you are well on your way to successfully accessing and utilizing this powerful application. Thank you for following along with this concise and clear tutorial. With these simple steps, you should now be able to confidently navigate to your Microsoft App Access panel and access your database file with ease. Enjoy the seamless transition and enhanced productivity that comes with mastering this process.